All right, so we're back at it, trying a new angle, guys. Let me turn on my lamp here. There we are. So the metal is rolled, cleaned with the steamer, through the ultrasonic and then the steamer. We're gonna put our letters down, measure how much silver we need, and then just mark a space where we can cut the excess off, so it's just not in the way. It can be used at a later date for something else. I have right here beeswax. That's what I put on the blade, or I also have this Pro Cut to lubricate the blade. You can use that too. Just every now and then lubricate your blade. Alright, so let me just cut this part off real quick. The way I put my metal or my image and pattern on my metal is I use Scotch double stick tape. It works very good on most of the jobs that I do, but I always use this. Really, I don't use an alternative way or anything. This is what I use all the time. It holds, and then it's easy to take off after you're done. Alright, so make sure all the letters are on metal, and you have a little space left over around just in case. Just in case. I'm gonna take one of our Fordham, what is it, hand pieces, and put in a drill bit, little mini drill bit. I measured this. This is a 56mm drill bit, big enough for the saw blade to go through, the number 3 saw blade that I use. Here we go. Try not to block the camera. That's what I'm doing, but lubricate your burr also. This is the speed I always go at. I've seen videos where they say start off slow and progress as you go into the metal. Lubricate. This is the safe way to do it, so your drill bits don't break on you. But where I work, we have to be fast. It's all about speed. So I got used to just prime example right there of a drill bit breaking. And it happens, you know. Nothing you can do about it, but try to fix it. And on certain occasions, it's easily fixed. You take a burr with a sharp tip on it, a really sharp point. Yeah. And if you see on the back, there's a spot that didn't make it all the way through and the piece broke on. If it's long enough, sometimes you can use some pliers and grab the tip and unscrew it. Basically turn it counterclockwise to bring it out, but I don't think it's going to work. So from the back, see if it's better with the burr that I was telling you about with the sharp point. I'm going to hit it with the hammer. I don't know if it's better to just keep going down or to bring it back out, but this is a method that I've used many times and it's worked before. Put it like where there's an opening and the rest of the metal is being held together. Make sure you're on that one spot. If it moves, put it back. Be careful because the tip will break also on your burr and will replace the piece that you're trying to get out. I think it's out. Yeah. Yep, it's out of there. So that's one way to do it if you guys were wondering. Now we have to resharpen our drill bit. This is another lesson I didn't intend to throw in there, but hey. Always line it up flat. Flat as can be. Level the tip out. And then incline it at an angle to sharpen it in a V shape. One side and the other. Looks good. I think I was done drilling all the holes anyways, but just to show you that it works. Alright, so now it's time to get to cutting the piece. Trying to keep these videos short. I don't want you guys watching them too long, so the cutting part will be in the next video.